This is QHuman playing piano tiles on its own. It isn't replaying a recording, it's watching the screen, spotting every blue tile and clicking each one where it lands. By the end of this video, you'll have built this exact macro from scratch. Let's get into it. A normal macro is blind. It replays the same clicks in the same spots and hopes the screen cooperates. A detection macro is different. It reads the screen first, then acts on what's actually there. If the target moves, the click moves with it. QHuman gives this its own section. In the rail on the left, open detection. A detection macro is built from steps. Each one watches for one thing, acts when it sees it, then moves on. On this canvas, every step is a node you can drag about and wire up. And here's the entire piano tiles player. One step, that's it. It finds every blue tile on screen, clicks each one, and loops straight back to do it again. So let's build it from nothing. Get the game on screen first. Paused is fine. Then click New Detection and give it a name, Piano Tiles. QHuman creates an empty macro for it, no recording needed. Now click Add Step and name that too. Tap the tiles. The node lands on the canvas wearing a little start badge. Every run begins here. Double-click the node to open it. The top half is Do One Entry in Order. That's the work this step performs. Click on Add Click. This action finds a target on screen and clicks it exactly where it appears. Time to teach it what a tile looks like. Flick to the game, let a few tiles fall, and pause. They hold still, right where they are. Perfect photo subjects. Now, with Find Set to Image, click Capture Snippets. The screen freezes and dims. Drag a tight box around one blue tile. The loop helps you line it up pixel perfect. And right-click or escape cancels. Let go, give the snippet a name, and it lands straight in the image file row. Keep the snip tight. A small, clean picture matches faster and misses less. Below it sits Match Confidence at 0.80 out of 1. That's how close a match must be before it counts. Raise it, QHuman gets stricter. Lower it, more forgiving. For a flat blue tile, the default is spot on. Leave it be. Two choices left. Click point on the match is where the click lands. Center is exactly right here. And which matches decides between best match only or every match on screen. Tiles fall in bunches. Pick every match on screen. Before committing, click Test Detection. QHuman grabs the live screen and boxes the best match it finds. And the list below shows the confidence score. The verdict confirms it. This condition currently matches the screen. That's the green light. Click OK. As it stands, the step would run once and stop. Under Then, go to the next step, click Add. Set Go to Step to Tap the tiles. Yes, the step itself. And set Move On to Always Every Time. Do the work, come straight back, do it again. That's a loop. The list now reads Always Go to Tap the tiles. Click OK, and the canvas draws the loop back onto the node. That one little arrow keeps this macro playing for as long as you let it. Time to play. Start the game, head to the macros section, and your macro is already selected, waiting. Click Play All. QHuman's window steps aside. The playing macro indicator tells you it's live, and the watching begins. And look at it go! Every blue tile spotted, clicked, gone. The combo counter climbing past anything a human hand could manage. It isn't guessing where tiles will be, it sees them. 3 ways to stop it. Click Stop on the floating indicator. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus S from anywhere, even with QHuman in the background. And with the failsafe on, shoving your cursor into a screen corner aborts the run too. You're always one flick away from taking back control. And that's your first screen watching macro. One step, one snip, one loop. Next up, every condition a step can watch for. Tuning image matches, pixel colors, timeouts, and testing it all without a single click. See you there.